to another episode with Rosie, your realtor here. Today we have Kellen Ferguson from Castle Rock, a local lending company here in Clarksville, Tennessee. Hey, Kellen, how are you?
I'm doing good, Rosie. How about you?
I'm doing great. Better now that I'm set up and ready. Those wonderful technical difficulties. Anyhow, Kellen, tell me a little bit about yourself.
Yeah, so my name is Kellen Ferguson. I work with Castle Rock Mortgage here in Clarksville, Tennessee. We're licensed in Tennessee and Kentucky. We are working on other states as well too to branch out. A little bit about me, I've been doing this for about 14 years now. So I shouldn't have gray hair at my age, but I do. So it's a fun industry to be in.
Very good, very good. And a little bit about your firm because it's a local company.
Yeah, so we are family owned. My parents started this back in 2004, and since then we've been running through. So we've gone through the 2008, 2009 era, survived that with no issues. Big thing about our company, with it being family owned, is that they get that family owned experience, and it's more personalized to them versus it just treating you as a transaction.
Perfect. Yeah, I like that. I like that. And I know there was something kind of unique about you guys that helps you stand out when it comes to fees, especially for our veterans. Tell me a little bit about that.
Yeah, so we don't have any underwriting fees or anything like that when it comes to our government loans. We are very competitive. We are a non-depository, so it allows us to have about 7 different servicers that we get to pick and choose from. So basically, everybody's going to fit a certain box. We have unique ways that we can do lending to help people acquire their homes, or for investments, refinances, second homes, primaries as well too. So it just kind of gives us a little bit more of an edge of what we can do versus your normal bank that's around here.
Awesome, awesome. Anything else you'd like to share?
Yeah, I say one thing that sets us apart is our communication. It's funny to hear that people in this industry don't actually communicate to their buyers or to the agents as well too. So that's something that we set ourselves apart with. On every Tuesday when there is a transaction, you get notified, the sellers get notified, and the buyers do as well, so that everybody's kept in the loop, knows what's going on, so they can have a predictable outcome. But not only do you get a physical phone call for us, but we also have milestones set up, so you can't catch us in a lie. So if we tell you your appraisal's ordered, you're going to get a notification that your appraisal's been ordered. And every step of the way through underwriting, anytime we get anything, you're going to be notified so you know what's going on.
Awesome, awesome. And I know I could attest to that because I know you've been pretty good about keeping me in the loop about events and different things. And I was like, yeah, someone really calls. So
Yes, a really call. Yeah, we do events. We do lunch and learns, not just for agents, but for buyers as well too. I send weekly videos out to all of my past clients or current clients in referral based as well to keep everybody up to date because things do change constantly in this industry. And
yes.
if you go to Google, you may click on the wrong thread. That may be from 2014, and those things don't apply.
Very cool. Well, Kellen, if somebody wanted to contact you directly, what's the best way to get a hold of you?
I got 3 ways for that. Phone call is always going to be the best. If you can't get me, I do get a lot of auto calls. So please leave a voicemail or shoot me a text. And then if email is a preferred method, that is another one that we can use as well too. So mobile is obviously going to be the best one to get a hold of me on. Email second, and then text always third.
Awesome. And we got your information there on the screen for people to be able to get a hold of you.
Absolutely. And another thing too is we do have apply now links as well too. And basically anytime somebody contacts us, I send them my digital card like I've sent you. It has all
Yes.
the information kind of about Castle Rock as well and where to go. That way they can just see who they're actually working with. We do Zoom calls as well too for clients to go over numbers, especially if they're out of town, they can't come in. So that way you truly know who you're working with.
Awesome. Perfect. Well, thank you so much for coming on here today and educating us a little bit about your firm. I definitely look forward to having you on here again so you can keep us updated on the lending market. So thank you so
Absolutely.
much.
Thank you for having me.
Of course, my pleasure.